Hello, I'm Stuti Shukla. You are watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with latest update. Dalmia Cement inquires the government for 2 million hectares of wasteland for the company to plant bamboo trees. Mahindra Singhi, managing director and CEO of the company, said the bamboo would be used as a replacement to fossil fuel in the manufacture of cement. Dalmia Cement is a member of the First Mover Coalition, a group of companies that have agreed to buy low carbon products, even if they are more expensive. Venu Srinivasan, chairman of TVS Motor Company, has been presented with the prestigious Padma Bhushan by the President of India, Ramnath Kovind, at the Rashtrapati Bhavan for his contribution to the field of trade and industry. Srinivasan is known to passionate about his commitment to society through a unique model of village development in South India. In order to ensure import of safe food products, the FSSAI notified a new regulatory framework for the foreign facilities that bring food items to India. Under the regulation, foreign food manufacturing facilities will need to register with the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India and may also be subjected to the inspection by Indian food safety officials. Amit Lohani, founder and director Forum of Indian Importers, said, "We look forward to reading the fine print as the regulation states that FSSAI will publish a list of high-risk products from time to time." Growth rate of the global agrochemical market is expected to be 6.6% from 2019 to 2024, and the USD market will reach $86 billion by 2024. The Indian agrochemical market will also maintain a similar growth rate, and the market is expected to reach $5.7 billion by 2024. The growth rate of Indian export is also surging. In the first half of 2021, agrochemical export has grown by 31% year-on-year. Central Institute for Subtropical Horticulture is providing the farmers of Wall and Kakori block who lack the resources to grow vegetables with seedlings. Shailendra Rajan, CIS's director, said approximately 2.5 lakh winter vegetable seedlings are being distributed to 1,000 poor farmers of Mal and Kakori blocks of Lucknow district to help them achieve nutritional security by growing their own vegetables. Rahibai Soma Poperi, a tribal farmer, received Padma Shri Award in the field of agriculture from President Ramnath Kovind, also known as the Seed Mother. Poperi hails from Mahadev Koli, a tribal community from the Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra. Cloud kitchen company Cure Food is in talks to raise $30 million in an equality funding round led by SL, NSE 0.93% and Chirite. The company runs premises to cook and serve quality food to patrons and incubate food brands ranging from health pizza biryanis to parathas, thereby democratizing the access to good food on a sustainable basis. Koteva AgriScience to hold a virtual Women Farmer Felicitation ceremony on 11th November. The program will be addressed by Rahul Savani, President of South Asia, and Koteva AgriScience and Women Farmers IAS Pravesh Sharma, Director of Samunnati Agro Solutions, will be chief guest of the ceremony. For more such updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.